10 bad habits that make people dislike you immediately. We all want to be liked and make a positive impression on others, but sometimes our habits can get in the way. In this video, we will discuss 10 common bad habits that can instantly turn people off and how to avoid them. Let's get started. 1. Interrupting others when they are speaking. Interrupting others is a habit that shows a lack of respect and consideration for the person speaking. It can come across as dismissive and can make it difficult for the person to fully express their thoughts and ideas. Instead, try to actively listen and show interest in what the person is saying. Ask questions and wait for them to finish speaking before offering your input. 2. Being consistently late or not showing up on time. Being late regularly is a sign of a lack of responsibility and respect for others' time. It can also cause frustration and inconvenience for others who have made plans with you. To avoid this, make sure to plan ahead and leave enough time to get to your destination. If you know you're running late, let the person know as soon as possible. 3. Being overly negative or complaining all the time. Being overly negative can make it difficult for others to enjoy spending time with you and can give off the impression that you are ungrateful or unhappy with life. Instead of complaining, try to focus on the positive aspects of a situation or offer solutions to the problem. It can help improve the mood and make others feel more comfortable around you. 4. Being insensitive to others' feelings or making fun of them can cause harm and make others feel disrespected or embarrassed. It can also create an atmosphere of negativity and hostility, making others reluctant to interact with you. Instead, try to be empathetic and respectful of others' feelings. Think before you speak and consider how your words might affect others. 5. Being unreliable or flaking on plans and commitments. Being unreliable or flaking on plans and commitments can damage trust and make others feel like they cannot count on you. It can also cause inconvenience and frustration for others who have made plans with you. To avoid this, make sure to follow through on your commitments and communicate with the person if you are unable to attend or complete the task. 6. Being rude or disrespectful to others, including speaking in a condescending tone. Being rude or disrespectful to others can make them feel belittled or inferior and create a hostile environment. It can also make others less likely to interact with you or want to form a relationship. Instead, try to speak respectfully and with consideration for others' feelings. Treat others the way you would like to be treated. 7. Being self-absorbed. Talking only about yourself and not showing interest in others. Being self-absorbed can make others feel unvalued and like you are not listening to them. It can also make it difficult for others to connect with you on a deeper level. To avoid this, try to show interest in others' lives and ask questions about their interests and experiences. 8. Being insincere or fake, not being true to yourself or others. Being insincere or fake can damage trust and make others feel like they cannot rely on you. It can also make it difficult for others to get to know the real you. To avoid this, try to be authentic and true to yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you are not and be honest with others. 9. Being irresponsible, not following through on commitments or duties. Being irresponsible can damage trust and make others feel like they cannot count on you. It can also lead to consequences such as missed opportunities or negative outcomes. To avoid this, make sure to follow through on commitments and take responsibility for your actions. This can show others that you are trustworthy and reliable. 10. Being overly critical or judgmental of others. Being overly critical or judgmental of others can make them feel attacked or judged and create a negative atmosphere. It can also make it difficult for others to feel comfortable around you or want to form a relationship. Instead, try to be open-minded and non-judgmental. Respect others' opinions and perspectives, even if you do not agree with them. Thank you for watching our video on 10 bad habits that make people dislike you immediately. Remember, we all have bad habits, but recognizing and working to overcome them can help us build better relationships and make a positive impression on others. By being respectful, responsible, and authentic, we can create stronger connections and improve our interactions with others. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you and have a great day.